Good morning. Today we are doing our sloppy copies, but make sure before you start that you finish your opinion organizer. That means that you have your topic sentence that tells what your paragraph is about, which just says my opinion, and you have reason one, two, three, and you have your conclusion, which is the same sentence but said in a different way. So now you're ready to make your sloppy copy. And remember, spelling still doesn't count. We're going to look at it together after you make your sloppy copy. So now I'm ready to make it. And I already have this first sentence kind of written for me because that had a sentence starter. And mine says, I'm doing one that's a little bit different today. It says, the perfect gift for me would be a toy robot. So I'm doing a new one today. And it's going to be about a toy robot. So reason number one on my list, I'm going to check it off as I go, is I love robots and I collect them. So that it kind of explains why I want it. So it shouldn't just tell that I love them, because if I love robots, that doesn't really tell why I want it. If I say I collect them, now you understand. I collect them, that's why I want them. So I love robots and I collect them. All right, I'm making sure that I have a period after every sentence. Reason number two, and I can check it off, and it says, I could play with it. That seems kind of dull. It seems like it might be missing some information. So on one of your sentences, I would like you to make sure to add a little bit of that who, that W that we like to use. Who, like who would you use it with? So I'm going to say I could play with it with my friends or with my brother. And I'm going to say that, I'm going to make sure to include that. So I could play with it with my brother and my friends. Oh, that. Okay. And now I have my period there. All right, so far, the perfect gift for me would be a toy robot. I love robots and I collect them. I could play with it with my brother and my friends. And now I'm ready for that third reason, 3 reasons. It can talk and make sounds. So now I'm telling you about the robot. So instead of saying it, I'm going to say the robot can talk and make sounds. So now I'm finished with my reasons and I'm ready to write that conclusion. A toy robot is a great gift. And I'm going to put a little expression on it at an exclamation point. So now I've finished my sloppy copy, and I have to go back and I have to look and make sure I have my COPs, so capitalization, organization, punctuation, and actually S should stand for spelling, not spaces, but you can check for spaces and for spelling. So let's see. The perfect gift for me would be a toy robot. I love robots and I collect them. I could play with it. Looks like these 2 words are a little close together. So when I write it, I'm going to make sure I have better spacing. So I might fix it before I even bring it to the teacher. Before I play with it with my brother and my friends, the robot can talk and make sound. A toy robot is a great gift. So then I'm finished with my sloppy copy, and you can bring it to me and we can look at it. Now we might not have enough time to look at everybody's, but we'll continue to do this writing workshop probably tomorrow and try to finish it before the end of the week so that you can share it, and maybe mom or dad could share it with Santa or could consider this as a gift for you for another upcoming holiday that you might celebrate. So, you're ready to get started? The paper is over in the froggy bin.